Yo, what is up guys? Casey here, and today, I was just making this video. I was going to tell you guys that today I'm super excited to announce that I officially won the Apple Developer Scholarship. So pretty much, I figured out WWDC Scholarship was available, or at least they gave like the rules about it, what you have to make, stuff like that. So I started out, I was making an app to help deaf people be able to get subtitles for videos that they make on their iPhone and stuff like that. But then I was reading like stuff on WWDC and I realized I'm not supposed to be making an app, I'm supposed to be making a playground. So I went out and figured out what they mean by playground. They said that if you don't know how to make it, look at some of their examples. So I found an example of Newton's cradle, you know, where you like pull the cradle ball, you let go, and it just like keeps going like that or whatever.
Alrighty then.
So I found that, I learned how to make the playground, and I started to make my playground. At first, I didn't really know what I wanted to make. I changed it like a gazillion times, but pretty much what I made, this is also my first Sprite Kit game ever. Like, I've never even messed around with Sprite Kit before.
What you talking about, Willis?
But I made an app or a playground where the balls are emojis, so depending on your emotion, there's a different emoji, and you shoot the emojis into a basketball hoop with animations for basketball hitting the backboard, hitting the rim, bouncing the basketball. There's airplanes going over clouds animating. But when you shoot your emotion and you score, it gives you a suggestion based off of the emotion that you shot. And this is pretty much in an effort to help prevent suicides with the large number of different like ranges of emotion and stuff like that. But I submitted mine the second day that you were allowed to submit your projects. After I've been working on it like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks at the time, and the day before I was still experiencing crashes and stuff, but I waited one more day, fixed a couple things, turned it in, with only testing it one time. But luckily God had his hand on my project and we won. And so basically now what's happening is June 3rd, I fly out to San Jose. We're going to be staying in San Jose State University's dorms, and the convention center is 15 minutes away. And June 3rd we check in. June 4th is orientation, so we get to meet with Apple developers and they tell us what we need to do to get the most out of the convention. June 5th through the 9th is at the actual convention. At the convention, we'll be learning how to code the new software, probably gonna be iOS 11. We're releasing all the cool stuff. I've never actually been to WWDC. This will be my first time. This is my first time even applying for the scholarship. But from what I have seen, they teach you all the cool new stuff, how to code it. Like, I think last year they released the voice API or something like that, where it converts voice into text. And that's where I got my idea for the app for deaf people, but then I realized there's a playground, and it's a whole entire different game on a playground than on an app.
Alrighty then.
So yeah, they teach you how to do all that stuff, and I'm just super stoked. I'll be vlogging the whole entire thing, well, not completely, but basically so you guys can experience what it's like to go to WWDC as a scholarship winner, even though you guys may not have won or may not even have applied because you didn't know about it. But I definitely encourage you guys to apply next year. Every year they do this, and if you didn't win, definitely watch it online. They live stream it, and it's cool whether you're there or not. I mean, I don't know how cool it is to be there. I'm sure it's extremely cool, but it's cool just to watch it online, all the new technology they release, the excitement of all the people. So definitely tune in. I'll leave a link in the description when it comes out. But I just wanted to let you guys know on that little update. But I'll see you guys on Thursday when we continue building our messaging app. Peace.